Christmas isn't exactly cancelled in West Sussex, but it doesn't particularly feel festive, and it soon won't look like it either. With COVID cases going up, the decorations will soon be coming down early. The county moving from Tier 2 to Tier 4 on Boxing Day. Non-essential shops closing, households banned from mixing, and very few people surprised.
Is it just going into Tier 4?
Yes.
Oh.
How do you feel about that? What's your view of that?
It's to be expected, really.
If the infection rates are going up, then definitely it needs to be done.
It's a bit too late for a lot of people who have made all these arrangements, and now so many more plans have fallen through than probably should have done, and they should have done a lot of stuff sooner.
A charge the Health Secretary denied today as he announced cases had risen 57% since last week, and with it, the consequences.
We know that the three-tiered system worked to control the old variant. But we also know that Tier 3 is not enough to control the new variant. It is therefore necessary to put more of the east and southeast of England into Tier 4.
It means from Boxing Day, 24 million people will be in Tier 4 as Sussex, Oxfordshire, Suffolk, Norfolk, Cambridgeshire, Waverley, parts of Essex not yet in Tier 4 and the majority of Hampshire are all added. Moving into Tier 3 will be Bristol, Gloucestershire, all of Somerset, Swindon, the Isle of Wight, the New Forest, Northamptonshire, Cheshire and Warrington. That's a total of 25 million people, while Cornwall and Herefordshire will move into Tier 2, where 7 million people are now placed. Matt Hancock also announced the discovery of another, more contagious new strain of coronavirus from South Africa today, which 2 people here have contracted. Given the direction of travel here, isn't it now inevitable that the vast majority of the country, if not all of England, will end up in Tier 4 at some point in the next few weeks? If so, why not do that more decisively now?
The Prime Minister announced on Saturday that we're prepared to act incredibly fast and take further action as we did this morning. We also want that action to be proportionate, and in the parts of the country where the number of the new variant is very low, of course we want to keep it that way, and the current tiers are working.
But behind every new statistic, an old friend, a family member. 66-year-old Mika Nidja, slim to those who knew him, contracted COVID and died 2 weeks ago. His hometown of Gravesend couldn't attend his funeral, but they came out anyway.
That's the biggest shock, the speed of this virus attacking him. And 1 minute we're having a discussion and a plan, the next minute it's all out the window.
Another community bearing the cost as the country struggles once again to bear down on this virus. Daniel Hewitt, ITV News.